Hello everyone, good morning. Today I want to talk about a book I recently read called Ikigai. Ikigai is a Japanese book and it is a best-selling book in Amazon during lockdown days. And Ikigai is a Japanese word which basically means the reason you wake up in the morning and the purpose in your life. The authors of this book are Hector Garcia and Francis Morales. They explain this book by 4 things meant. First one is what you love. Second one is what you are good at. Third one is what the world needs. And fourth one is what you can be paid for. This book shares lessons from people of Okinawa in Japan, where people to be live more than 100 years old. And the life expectancy of people in Japan is 83 years old, but in Okinawa it is 94 years old. And even more surprising, out of 1 lakh people, about 70 people are lived to be more than 100 years old. The secrets are surprisingly simple but meaningful. First one is Hara Hachibu. The word Hara Hachibu is a Japanese term which is related to food item. The word Hara Hachibu means eat less to live longer and control your food habits. As you all know, Japanese people are following a healthy diet and they stop before when they feel completely full. This is also called calorie restriction in science. If we eat too much, our body produces a protein called IGF-1, which leads aging. So many of the people in the world are following this principle. The best example from our side is Mamuka. At his 74 years old, he is still looking like a man at his 40s. So if we eat mindfully, we can stay healthier and live longer. The second secret of Japanese people is movement or exercise. They stay active every day through doing small things like gardening, cleaning and doing what they love and all. So the second secret is movement or exercise. Third one is Moai. Moai. The word Moai is related to Japanese people's culture, which basically means meeting for a common purpose, which means simple sharing and spending time with the friends. So Japanese people has a strong number of strong friendship and also they have a supporting community. Next is most importantly sleep. A good sleep can reduce stress, right? Okay. Let me ask one question. How many of you sleep happily every day? Or did you sleep properly? Okay. In past, stress happened occasionally. But today, even a single phone notification can create stress. Am I right? Okay. What we feed in our mind before sleep and after wake up matters a lot. So avoid phone 1 hour before sleep and 1 hour after wake up. Next secret of Japanese people is handling internal stress. The stress, the pain, the sadness we carry inside, we can't control our feelings, but we can control how we respond. So this book teaches how to handle the internal stress through accept the things that we cannot change, be grateful for what you have, and focus on what really matters and all. By doing the simple practices, we can find our inner peace, happiness, and our own ikigai. What I really liked about this book is not just a book. This book showing that happiness isn't about money or luxury. It is about finding our daily meaning of our daily life. So for me, this book is a reminder that small habits, positive relationship, and doing what you love that truly make your life more happy. So, and most importantly, I wish each one of you find your own ikigai, the reason you wake up in the morning and the purpose in your life. Thank you. Have a nice day.